For what Jamaican Good Life is after America is what Lambert is actually doing. So this film experience, this season 2, because of Chubby, he's brought me people that exemplifies the after America life, what good life looks like for returning residents or people who want to leave.
I know way, brother.
How should they invest? How to invest in land. Set a date for yourself. I'm collecting X amount from rent here. You know, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. You know, not really. And no. Yeah, the way, and this is why I tread lightly, you know, with all those definitions, because I know what I'm trying to get across. And the level of humility that I want to always get across in defining success. And the continuum of balance, change and balance. You know, because for me, it's a togetherness of everyone from all different levels. That's true success, you know? And Lambert exemplifies that. Well, you see, you can't teach, you can't teach life. You can't teach attraction. When people see something, they want to learn from it. It's going to
Yes, Lambert. Huh?
I don't know that one, so I give laughing pea soup round this.
I don't think so. Jeez. Right now when I cool and the wood fire and everything here, so the fish have to warm up. See it, Lambert, do it. Wow.
Yeah, device stores is almost full. Go to smart. Delete unnecessary.
Okay. Far right.
Have you locked him now, you know?
Yes, man, lock up your thing, man.
Alright.
Run the engine instead of just relaxing. It's a smell already.
Smelly.
A piece of roast yam, I'm ready for roast. So I shall put the piece of yam right between us. So.
You know, I'm bunny me now.
Oh, I don't know if you roast yam still. I just
put a heavy fire on. Let's see what we have.
Sure about that sweet no span top right. Ooh. Lambert now play with it, you know. Steam a come out of pot like. So long this take, Lambert? Like,
yeah, you have to use the judgment on him, you know.
Okay.
You have to use the judgment on him because right now, I feel like I want to lift some of them out tight right now because I don't want them broke, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
And then when you put them in there, so you put a little juice on them and put them close to the fire.
Yeah.
Eat them this nice and, you know.
Oh, so after like you put the bammy and thing, you put
like
them back
there,
then?
you know. This way you have your fish them stay whole. Them stay in a pot till them start bust up, you know. When you're serving your fish them must stay together, you know. You see how they start bust? You have to lift them. Alright.
Okay, can you put the yam and everything in there?
Everything.
Oh, sure, everything.
Damn you motherfucker, yo. You see that? Chubby.
Wait, look, one drop. I saw you go. We have to give your ancestors some food sometime.
They mustn't get none. Cook for them. Remember them coming up on the car. Yeah.
Just murder that one, man. Just make it time on this side.
What's up with you, man? pan over and you cover them up. And there. And just finish cut out, you know. Real Mackay, the pan him too. Look nice. Water more than that.
It's a real Lambert chef. Rosemary.
When the vegetable cook on this, and the yam now, you know, chubby. This I get thick again. Ready now.
So after that, you just throw the bammy in.
Right, you throw
and the near down.
Near down, and the crackers, near down, you know. Two small fish, you fry for them to be like this. You fry it and put in the juice. A piece of roast at the same time. Putting it up running on now.
Think I missed to get me sure I get some sweet plant. Well,
All right, Lambert, talk to me. Ooh,
Lobster right here.
this is the $12 lobster. Meat, Brethren, for $12, you're crazy. How much lobster? How many lobster that?
That's a pound of lobster.
A pound.
Pound of lobster.
Well, that would be about.
And it's fresh lobster.
That would be about 6 lobsters.
Yeah, so it's a good price. If you go in and you see how much the man was selling it down here for.
Yeah,
and he wasn't giving you a pound of lobster.
$40 for
$40
one
for
plate.
one plate. And then you're gonna have to buy bammy and everything extra.
And that is the meat.
And that's the meat right here.
And not only that, he beat it to get the meat out.
Yeah, that means you get all lobster, you don't get no shells in it. If you get shells, it's very little piece of shell. And they give you the whole shell and everything down there for $40. That's ridiculous. You know? That ain't even right here.
So you definitely have your gloves on.
Yes. Yes. You're supposed to wear your gloves on. That's why they teach you in America. You know?
You're supposed to have your gloves
You're
on.
supposed to have your gloves on for the safety of the customers. All the time to have your gloves.
So this you're doing curry lobster. You took the fish out already.
Yeah, the fish is out already.
And it wasn't the same vibe.
Yeah, because what happens is that you don't wait until the fish completely cooked. You want a 90, fish you have to cook right through, but you want a 95% cook. Or 90% cook. And then what you do is this, you take some of the juice, the hot juice from the bottom of from the pot.
Yeah.
Place it at the bottom. Put the fish into it. And then put some on top of it and cover it in a tight pot. But we have now the heat. You see that?
Nice.
It just stay cooked, but it stay together.
Man.
That means when you're serving your fish is together. Your fish is in pieces.
I know a lot of people even more jealous of me. I've been showing them food. They're like, Ron, now you did it now.
Yep.
Woo!
You see, it's so much different thing you have here for your comfort. Because if you go over there, you got my chocha trees back here. That's what I'm taking and put inside here.
Your chocha.
My chocha tree. My pepper tree, my hot pepper is right there.
Boom.
Right. That's my hot pepper right here.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Nice.
The yam, you bring it from your homeboy up in the hills there.
Baba. King Baba.
The carrot, I get from my homeboy up in the hill there.
Boom.
All right. My okra. I went down to the market and picked it up, $100 or 12.
Boom.
That's not bad, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then what I'm doing is cooking everything together.
Yes, sir.
You know, when you get your plate, you're gonna have your crackers. It's a full meal, you know. You're gonna have your crackers thrown inside of it.
So Lambert,
Yeah.
you're gonna put the lobster in there too?
Yeah, the lobster, you're gonna make enough juice. And
Yeah.
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave some of this juice from the fish,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna just cook the lobster right inside of it. Same
Yeah.
food, you know?
Same thing.
Get a different base, you know what I
Yes,
mean?
yes.
All right, so what you gonna do now? It's gonna be crackers inside of it.
So Lambert, here's a question. Someone stays in Mandeville Hotel or Airbnb, they would have to pay you like $200 a day to hang out with you. Is that a good number?
Yeah, that's a good number.
$200 a day.
And we're gonna go out of town too.
Uh-huh.
Take them to the beach and everything,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Give them a good day. We leave early in the morning and then we come back like the time we come back now.
And then you
we
cook.
cook for them.
Boom.
And they eat their belly food and then we take them back to the hotel at a good time that they don't get scared, you know what I mean? Yeah. You have a couple of them we come, you know, they don't eat, especially the white boys them, because I hang out with one. He don't give a crap. He just want to enjoy himself. He said, man, I'm not scared. Come on, let's go. So he come here, and my friends them from America, Americans them, they come. Let's go, Lambert, let's go. You know what I mean? I don't want to hear about the bad part of Jamaica. Let's go and have fun. So we just ride out. We don't come back till morning. 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm riding in. Ain't nothing wrong with them, man. They come here. Number one, when they come here, they're secure. They love to be here. And the one them that I gotta tell them to go on the website and check upon your YouTube and check it out and everything like that. They can vouch say, yes, I've been to Lambert place. I never lose my wallet, I never lose my money, I never lose my jewelry, and I enjoy myself. You see what I mean? Yeah. Because I got a lot of friends. I got a lot of friends, man, and they come down and they.
So if you want to reach to Lambert, call me at 646-330-9150. So you would have them rent their own Airbnb somewhere else.
Right.
And just check you,
Yep.
give you your money,
I take
and
them.
you pay for they pay for the food. You just need your fee.
Yep.
You know your time is
Yep.
money.
Your time
It's
is
kind of like King Baba.
Yeah, man.
When I get you in King Baba's kitchen, it's gonna be over for Jamaica.
And the way we cook, the way I cook, is a real down to earth home thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're a man of my. There's the crackers in there.
The crackers. You got the yam, the crackers, the chocho, which they call Christopher in back in America. There's a chocho right here. The yam right there. Carrots right there. You got okra right here. Everything in the pot.
My brethren.
Yes, and you're gonna go right down to the right.
Brethren.
The way it's supposed to be. You know? Alright?
Brethren, my brethren. My brethren. You didn't find any of the bricks? Wow. So this is the broth right here. Oh man, Lambert, you just messed up my head. This Mandeville experience.
Yep.
So all we gotta do is just buy the fish and we just gotta buy this stuff and you gonna mash it up for me.
Yeah, man. And this is a rush thing right here. Yeah, because
Me know so one of the fish is dropping up, but we eat a piece of it, you know. Me not care enough. Me not care enough.
He might go rough too.
You drop on the ground, me not care. Cause me not dead, you know. Me not dead. Wait a minute, did you just put the phone? Oh, Lambert.
A heavy food we are dealing with.
So this brethren that was supposed to come.
Yeah, it looks like he get tied up. But right now I'm long gone.
Boom.
So I'm good.
You put 2 of the bammy in there.
Yeah. You
Boy,
want more
I
than
said
bam
to
too?
my man.
Want more than there? Talk to me.
Yeah, man, put more bammy in it, man. Cause fish, you know, so I'm not gonna get fat.
All right.
A pair of fish, me gonna eat.
All right,
Let me know at $25. So if at $25, how much fish we get?
Yeah, take a
1,
look.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fish.
All right, 9
And if I just me one, and 9 days that.
Yes, and 9 days that. You see me at top over $2,600.
$26, 9 days.
$26 US
9
dollars
days.
for 9 days.
I me tell people, don't touch my fish.
Yeah, don't.
I farm me, I come from.
yes.
Oh, eat chicken back.
That me I say.
You can't come and eat my fish and
All
we
right.
don't have it down here.
You see?
That's a 9 days worth of fish, people.
see.
And the shrimp,
The shrimp
the
now,
lobster,
lobster,
at $12.
$12 US dollars this.
And the bammy, how much for the bammy?
And the mommy at $450 Jamaican dollar.
And if you want it, you could fry it.
Yeah, you can do anything you want to do. You see how it's getting nice and thick? Get it real thick. You see, look like a soup now, you're gonna get real thick.
Me have a woman who call up and say, me love the new crew, me love the music. All the cooking thing around me, don't want to see no more cooking.
Yeah.
For the lady who said that, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Anytime when I make comment on my video, watch what I say. Shut your mouth. Not tell me what to do. So now you mean say me not for record this? Me not for record this? You're Jamaica good life. You think you can get better than this?
Yup. Turn up piano.
See the crackers in the with the church and the mama. I'm saying people man. I don't know nothing much. See listen. Shut your mouth. Jamaica good life. King Lambert. See him there? I introduced you guys to the best. People say I love my belly, no Lambert. And I'm saying, Randy, I love your belly too much. What's this love? Then your belly is life.
Yes, that's true, man. You have to have that food in it too. I have to have that good food too.
Don't drop that one in, Lambert. Don't drop it.
No, drop. Because they say if me get sick and can't eat certain food, when me healthy, me I go eat it. That means that when me get sick and can't eat it, me can say, Lord. But me remember when me used to cheer up it.
Yes, sir.
Me I say,
so you take the bammy out and you put it there and everybody gets their broth.
yeah, everybody to keep it nice and moist.
Wow. And you used to cook for... Tell us about your cooking history.
All right, as I stated before, I started into a little grocery store.
Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna have to music we're gonna go through some history of how did you become a chef. Talk about that.
All right. As I say, I used to be the one who have to be cooking for my family. So I always loved cooking, and the food was there. We never out of food in our house. We used to give neighbors food, and give neighbors cook food too. So I fall in love with it. And from I fall in love with it, I decided that, it's very important. And my grandma too, my grandma was good to me because she always let us know that, listen to me, you have to cook. You have to have good food in your stomach. You know what I mean?
Let me taste a piece of that. Thank you so much.
Well, come on.
Baba yum. You like it?
Yeah, nice and dry.
Nice and dry. Well, help us. Sorry, I talk to my mouth. I'm feeling that water. You cook the yam in the broth.
Yes, straight in it. I don't cook nothing separate. Everything was going in it, and everything was going in. That's what we have it right here. Everything was going in.
I respect that.
Yeah.
See, that's the sign of a real chef.
Yep. You gotta have
Because the whole separate thing, it's like one place.
yeah, it's like one place.
I know the energy, so you just keep going in and take out.
Yep. And keep on putting in the lighter
Whoa.
stuff you put in last,
And then you go pull out the things them.
Yeah, when I don't know, I'm gonna pull them out and get some of the juice out of it to put in left some of the juice in the pot, and then use the lobster and throw right inside of it.
Boom.
Boom, right inside it. Gone again. Same pot running all along. See, like this now, you have a prep for another time.
Wow. I mean, Chubby told me about you. I didn't know that it was this turned up.
Yeah, man.
Chubby, you're a bad man. Yeah.
I'm a good man.
You're a good man for the Jamaica good life. There he is. Chubby's what makes this happen. Make sure we're going to support the show. You know what I said? We're going to keep doing this forever. Right, Chubby?
As long as we both shall live.
We're going to bring our daughters
Yes.
next time. June, July, around there.
Yes.
Because the fruits are going to be all over the place.
Right. And let the both of them enjoy themselves together.
Yeah, you're supposed to be doing some training over here. You're having fun. Huh? I see you. I'm watching you. You keep having fun, buddy. Love it. So now, Lambert, you guys don't have running water, never.
No. We have it, but it don't run across here.
So, as a returning resident, you're used to this.
Yep.
So, in Jamaica, you're okay with this.
Yeah, because we have a catchment. Yes,
Yes, Lambert.
yeah, we got the catchment.
This is Elvis. He's supposed to be learning how to cook this, but he's having a day off today.
Yeah. having
You
a
know,
day off
relaxing
today,
and
relax-
chilling.
Yeah, you know,
But-
relaxing brain and the mind and the soul. You know?
Yeah, enjoy yourself, Edwards. You look like you're having fun.
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
that you're drinking?
I'm drinking a little engine. you know?
Engine. Is it
Engine.
called Bad Boy?
No, this is not the bad boy.
Engine. What's engine made of?
You know, ginseng.
Ginseng.
Yeah, and some other just
How much is it
Mainly
for a drink
ginseng.
like that?
$100.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
How many of these do you have a day?
I mean, it's good for the body, you know, so just one,
And how many spliffs do you normally have a day?
maybe two. or-
Two, maybe?
Yeah.
2 or 3 or 5?
Why? No, why are you doing that? For the week.
For the week?
Yeah, for the week.
Okay.
Probably that's one a day.
Yeah.
Or two. You know?
So this is Elvis here. I get a chance to meet him. He knows the entire Jamaica. You ride a bike, so one day I gotta put on the helmet and use the bike. Big up to Lambert for taking us on this journey. It's been a beautiful morning. The spending, if we look at the budget, the budget is not much, you know? This is the fish that drop. And this is Randy in this drop fish. We not play. It's not a game over here. We're a soldier. Even dirt, we not play with dirt. We eat dirt.
You eat dirt.
When we little, we used to eat dirt.
How much dirt do you eat?
Dirt also kill you, you know.
Sure.
It's a part of that red dirt. It's a piece of
Oh,
clay.
like if some get in the food.
No,
I just take it up and eat it.
you eat dirt.
Why would you do
Education.
it? Dirt?
Dirt. Dirt gets rid of parasites in your stomach. Dirt has a bacteria in it that is so powerful.
Yeah.
Why do you think babies eat dirt? Is to
Because-
build the
because
immune
of
system.
experiment.
No, naturally, nature.
Them experiment.
No.
You know, everything they catch them pushing at them.
Life don't do nothing by accident.
Eh?
You
What do
see,
you think about that, Lambert? You think that?
I-
They baby them. They just put everything at them now.
Yeah, I think that too much lab business.
it helped them.
Yeah.
It helped them.
Yeah, we know dirt is a
Dirt build your immune system.
We know dirt is a vital part of even electronics. Like
Yeah.
it's
Conduct. Yeah.
Yeah. And we know, so we know it's a material.
So when you're online, search for dirt and healing, and dirt and health. So some people actually take the clay and eat it when they're sick.
I won't do that. Me take eat an orange. A vitamin C that. Yeah. Eat an orange or two.
Hmm.
Yeah. Natural vitamin C.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So if I give you a little red dirt, you won't eat it?
Not right now.
Not right now.
Yeah. Dirt.
Yeah.
Man. Dirt, man.
Dirt.
Man, people walk on dirt, you know, man. People walk on dirt.
So
Yeah,
people
dirt.
walk on dirt is what make it dirty. But what if I give you some clean dirt that people don't walk on?
Which dirt clean?
You know, so you think
No,
dirty? So you think dirt is dirty?
Dirt is dirt.
Dirty? You think dirt is bad?
I didn't say dirt is dirty. I said dirt is dirt, man. Dirt
What do you mean dirt is dirt?
What do you mean by dirt?
Dirt is life.
No.
Dirt is not life. What brings forth life in the
It's
plants?
a part of
What
life.
brings forth life in the
It's a part
plant?
of
What
life.
gives the plants power to grow?
Yeah, but I mean, life is
Without dirt, could we live?
no.
Okay. Dirt is life.
I'm a big man.
So you eat
Can-
so- you
I can
eat-
stand corrected.
You eat change and
I can
balance.
stand corrected. I can stand corrected, man. No problem.
So you eat a little bit of dirt and you get
Well,
the
alright.
balance.
Alright, me get the dirt out of the fruits that come from the dirt.
Yeah, but you could go to the source.
So like the jelly coconut and them
Yeah.
thing there, they drink that, you know.
Go to the
That
source.
come from the dirt.
So me and you
That
one day,
purified- that
me and you one
purified,
day
that
gonna
process.
dig some dirt
No. Yeah,
and we're gonna get some water
yeah.
and put the dirt in the water. It's gonna turn brown and we're gonna drink it.
You ever drink it? Nothing wrong with that. You ever drink it? Yeah, nothing wrong. We sit down and talk. We can have one
What
cup.
about snails? Would you eat a snail? What about frog legs? I don't eat frog legs, but would you eat a frog leg?
Come to life and death.
If you come to life and death?
Come to life and
But
death.
why are you eating?
If me now want to survive a situation where
Lambert, you ever eat frog legs?
No, I get the alpha, but I run from it. I eat the snake.
You eat snail, right?
Snake.
Yeah, you ate snake.
Yeah, and alligator.
Alligator.
Snake.
Uh-huh.
You eat snake too?
Yeah, you see.
And slug. And alligator, the tail or the foot or the head.
You would eat alligator?
The young one, the tail.
You would eat the young
The
one.
young one, the tail.
Would you eat dirt?
Dirt?
Mm-hmm.
Deliberately? No.
Okay.
Deliberately no.
But he want drink dirt.
You want to drink? You
He want drink dirt.
I mix it.
We're gonna drink some dirt for health purposes.
So like how much dirt?
Yeah,
No, man, yeah, Elvis,
So like how much dirt you want to put in?
it's not a lot. It's just a little bit.
Oh.
It has
Like a
some healing
spoonful.
properties in it. I was telling him dirt is life.
So you have to dig up some clean dirt.
We're gonna go some red dirt, especially. No, the fish dropped, so we just like no, this fish is not going down. We eating the fish. We don't even wash it off, sand and everything. You know, in Botswana, when you don't have the tripe, and they're doing the tripe, and you eating it, you taste some sand in your mouth, and you also taste the grass that's in the tripe. No, when them cook it, you know, so you taste the.
Yeah, because it's nice.
So,
You know that now.
Lambert,
It's poison.
when Mongo come and everything done.
English will come?
When everything done, I'm
Yeah, and that's him will come.
Okay.
What you say? The juice run right through the fish.
And a long time, I tell him about it.
If they hear say, well then, loops, and you talk about the thing and arrangements.
Yeah, in Japan are different guys. This
So
is-
Lambert, you pour out some of it.
Yeah.
These guys were distracting me about dirt, eating dirt. I'm like, well, you guys crazy?
Yeah, man, they're good meat.
So give me. Ah.
Yeah. You'll be younger.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, what I took them no more. If you get poison, you have nothing in a dirt, I best thing for it, you know. Yeah, man, you get, yeah, man, you get poison, man. Dirt, dirt are one good thing for it, man.
Dirt is life. Dirt is healing. We don't know why them call it dirt and make dirt a bad word. So I'm gonna say dirty people. It means people from the earth, the dust.
Yeah, you're from the earth and you go
It's a
back
good thing.
Yeah.
from the earth and back to the earth.
Balance. Circle.
What you say play them, let you?
You see all the wood? You can grate a piece of the wood. You know, say you can grate a piece of the wood and eat it.
So which one?
The wood, the firewood. Yeah, man. Yes.
All the ashes too.
All the ashes.
Some
when
women
they
were
cook the
pregnant, they eat
ashes.
that, you know, that's all they eat, you know.
Yeah, me know, but say, pregnant woman mostly eat ashes. I don't know, they're sick. They lack something.
Oh man, both billion.
But even my sister, the younger, and them, she eat dirt. You hear people always say, oh, she lack something like lack iron or something. That's why I say I do it.
Put it back. Huh?
So people when you say too cleansy, them always get sick. Because you know introduce your body to nothing. You want everything sterile. Life is not sterile. Nature is not sterile. Everything good. Everything work together. But when you want to separate yourself from nature and go into this machine sterile world,
But that's why it's important for your surrounding clean. You know? And that's not,
well, let's not get to that level.
Yeah.
What you mean? So it's important that it's
No,
not
like,
too clean?
No, as in, no, like garbage disposal. You dispose of garbage properly.
Yeah,
So
it must be.
you're destroying nature. And then the things that are around are not going to be clean. So you'll be forced us to get them sterile. So you're going to lose out all the natural things that you talk about.
Yeah, like the worms and the thing that needs to be
Come
around
here,
you.
come now, Elvis, come in, man. Let you get into this business.
What do you mean we not making now focus? The master chef send you for something. You know when a doctor send a nurse for
Right now,
syringe,
I said, no.
The operating table.
operating table is you know. Yeah, lele.
I'm glad I bring that up because more people them know something. You know.
Chubby, you want to take the camera or serve?
Lambert is now known as Dr. Chef because him have on him scrubs and him a do the chefing. So, Dr. Chef. Dr. Chef.
Look there, man. Look there.
And talk right now.
Salt. Lambert, salt.
Emotional sauce.
So, Lambert,
Salt.
tell the people what kind of wood you use and cook the fire and stuff.
Alright. What about the name? You're supposed to know that wood. They use it for fencing.
And I pimento wood.
And a pimento wood is a wood with that red color inside of it.
Bullet.
No, no bullet.
So I see that.
This is a bullet. No, sir, we can't burn. This is a bullet right here. This one right here is
and a
bullet.
hardwood door.
No, they use it in St. Elizabeth a lot. With those
Oh,
markers on it.
for
fencing.
For fencing.
Yeah. And a kasha man.
So them use it for the
my bluefish. Let me taste yours.
Boy, hey Lambert, when you look on the wood still, you know, No smoke in a Lambert.
If I have him though.
You notice?
I run out already.
You go eat last day.
Yeah, man. You're going to eat Lambert. No smoke in a my general. No smoke. That's my general. Respect, man. Respect, man. See there? People no can see this steamer come out tight, though. Boy.
Yeah, arm and a leg. It's a journey you want to keep going on, you know. Respect your time and respect.
Scenes behind the camera.
Yeah, I know.
Everything natural
I
right
best
now.
food me since me there Jamaica.
Elvis,
I don't even eat this now.
Yeah, yeah.
you know you're allergic to lobster, me too one.
Allergic.
to no.
Yeah, man.
I mean, man. I mean the beer.
Hey, what me done already?
Wow. Trouble. Trouble did prophesy this now.
Yeah.
Trouble say, yo, wait till we reach Lambert.
Yeah, man. If I see trouble have any locks, you know, saying nothing's come, so you know.
And Trouble say,
Trouble no good people, you know, man.
Trouble say, run.
Trouble no good people. And Lambert are good people.
Yeah, man.
Just that, you wanna know.
And that's why good
Yeah.
life, to make a good life after associate yourself with the brand, the good people.
A chair can't try go around Lambert, you know. You're not mixing to try that.
Not here. Wait, how can I city make a man have a slow start get it up?
No man, a cherry is it. You see me? I eat this. We have to go figure out how to make this, you know. Cause you can make a whole bunch of money with this, you know.
Yeah, man. Enough money tell me that, you know. You unique, you know, man.
And
You can't fold up, you know.
and you not hurt your back.
The way they make it to go down in a groove, you know. Yeah, man, if you ever get some seed covering for that with some sponge and thing like that, you'll be it, man. You see, me lie down in night and put the old comfort inside it and rest back in it and fall right asleep, man. Yep, that's a nice chair. I'd come from.
I'm gonna try to reach Baba and ask him when him free next. Try to coordinate with you. Because him is a busy man. And at 4 o'clock him left out for bush, you know. So I try to forget that day when him now go bush.
Yeah.
Cause I don't want you to forget up 4 o'clock.
You can eat up in that, no problem.
3 o'clock good for you? See the man them I like, you know. You see the man them I can't wake up early.
I mean attack. I mean attack.
You see me? One time I wake them up, you know. And I say to them, yo, I go move like a bush. Them take about 1 hour to get ready.
Who? Me?
The whole crew.
No man, no me. When I say ready, man. I let me use my pyjama and feel like I me moving and me
Yo, but you know, Randy today we are going to take an animal to take a hour nap till you forward, you know. Before you know, and the man, I'm just you know, the man I see, I'm just I say, yo, Randy. Man, just want to get up and say, what, you're going to take a next one? Man say, no, man, I'm ready, man. Yo, man, say, yo, man, I'm ready, man, ready? Yo, I fast this man, man, say, I'm going to say, man, 9 deep, you know, I fast this man.
You never get up that time and close back here, and you move out there, all another 2 hours.
No, man, that man, I get up.
Yeah, man, get up, man, you're right, but then you lie down there.
No, how you get up? You know, if you go to get up, you have to get up and...
Yeah, get up with energy.
You have to get up and say, yo. Alright, give me a minute. Yo, I be touching man, say man like right. Me say, no, you say me see and him say you do everything. I say, yeah man. Wait, when me say, where you do? I take a next hour? Man said, no man, you want to get up like a spring life to
I'll work. It me know so me couldn't miss this. Like this.